How you doing today, guys? EK Trader here. It is October 27th, 2009 at 8:35 a.m. Just getting things situated for today's market action. Try to make some money. I just wanted to show you guys what I'm looking at as far as the dollar index, and just a continuation of the analysis I kind of been giving on the dollar index. For those of you who've seen my last video, let me just zoom in here. I believe I made my first analysis around here somewhere, and at that time I said that based on what I saw in the volume, actually these three bars here, a lot of accumulation, I was expecting a rise here, and it did rise. It rose a little bit, but then as you can see, it kind of puttered out relatively quickly, so it definitely wasn't the rise I was expecting. But once I zoomed out and decided to look at the weekly chart, what I noticed was, notice how the volume is increasing a lot here. And what this typically means is, yeah, the market is still going down, even on a weekly basis, but this is what appears to be heavy accumulation. Because if most of this was selling, the slope would probably be a little more facing downward, and the fall would be a little greater, kind of like here and here. But as you can see, volume picked up, but the slope of the fall is not, it doesn't really justify lower prices. So that's just kind of the way I was looking at it. Then we come here to the daily chart, and as you can see here again, just yesterday obviously was a rise here. Okay, I have some weekly pivot points here. This is also a daily pivot level, and what I noticed was, we had this rise. I'm never the type of person to pull the trigger at the end of the day on a rise such as this, because I always anticipate a pullback, and I got just the pullback I was looking for here. So I managed to find a good area to go long, and I actually widened my stop a lot for this trade. This is about a 500 buck gap here, because I'm expecting to hold this trade maybe a few days. So I wanted to make sure my stop was out of the way, just in case it comes back down here and tests. But anyway, like I said, I got the pullback I was looking for. I went long, and this is basically where I'm at right now. I basically just went long one contract. I didn't want to risk too much. I just figured one contract with a wide stop should hopefully do well for me. So that's what I'm looking for. I have my entry right here at 76.055, and right now we're floating around at 76.130, and I don't know, as of now I'm feeling good about the trade. So anyway, that's it. Just wanted to show you guys that on the dollar index. I don't know if this is going to be the rise that takes it to new heights or whatever, anything like that, but based on what I see from the pattern, the support, and the volume, that tells me that this should be a pretty good rise to make a few bucks. I don't know how far it's going to go, but it should be enough to definitely be within my risk reward parameters. Anyway, that's it. EK Trader, Informed Trades Pro. Thanks for watching.